Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the complements. Okay, ma, how to subtract by using ones complement, twos complement, nines complement, and tens complement. With some examples. Okay, ma. Now, in this class, we start the next topic, that is fixed point representation. Fixed point representation. Okay, ma. Actually, if you are taking the numbers in mathematics, what are the numbers we are using in mathematics? Some are positive numbers. Okay, that is having from 0 to 9 digits. Okay, ma. Next, if you are taking the positive numbers, that will be taking as unsigned numbers. Okay, ma. Negative numbers will be taking, then those are called signed numbers. Okay, actually, if we are taking the positive numbers will be taking like +3, +147. Like this we represent. Negative numbers means with minus sign, minus 58. Okay, minus 416. Okay, like that we representing the numbers in mathematics. Okay, if you are taking in digital computer, then that sign will be taking in terms of ones and zeros. Okay, for positive numbers, we are representing the zero sign. Okay, ma. For negative numbers, we represent 1. Okay, ma. So where we know the sign of the number means, that is based on MSB. Based on MSB, that is the most significant bit. Okay, ma. If we are taking the unsigned numbers, that is positive numbers, then the MSB will be taking as 0. Okay. If we are taking the negative numbers, then the MSB will be taking as 1. Okay, ma. So here, see here. Positive integers including 0 can be represented as unsigned numbers. However, to represent negative integers, that negative integer will be represented in minus sign. Okay, ma. So here, those plus and minus will be replaced with the ones and zeros. Okay, here the sign bit equal to 0 for positive, the sign bit equal to 1 for negative. Okay, ma. See here. In addition to the sign, a number may have a binary point, that is point, decimal point. The position of the binary point is needed to represent fractions. That is, suppose if you are taking the number 374.52. Okay, we are taking this number 374.52. This is the binary point we are taking. So this 374 is called integer part. Okay, ma, this 374 is called integer part. This 0.52 is called fractional part. Already we know about this. Okay, this 0.52 is called the fractional part. Here, the fixed point method assumes that the binary point is always fixed in one position. This is very, very important point here. The fixed point method assumes that the binary point is always fixed in one position. Okay, ma? The binary point, that is point 374.52 will be taking as an example. That point will be fixed. Suppose if we change the point, then what happened? The value is changed. See here, the same example, 374.52. Okay, here where the binary point will be, that is this point, this point. Okay, suppose if you change this point to here, then what happened? 37.452. If you change the point, are you getting the same number? No. Okay, no. That is, here if we are taking the fixed point method, the binary point is always fixed in one position. Okay, Amma? If you change the binary point, then compulsory the value the value is changed. Okay, that's why fixed point method, the binary point is also fixed. Okay, here the two positions most widely used, that is the first one is so extreme left is called fraction, extreme right part is called integer. Okay, suppose 374.52 means 374 is called the integer, 0.52 is called the fractional part. Okay, ma? The main point is this only. Okay, see here, integer representation. Integer representation for signed numbers. Unsigned numbers means that is positive numbers. No need to kept positive again. Okay, defaultly we are taking the positive numbers. Okay, Amma? Suppose if negative numbers are there, that negative numbers are known as signed numbers. So how the integer representation for the signed numbers? So the representations are three types. The negative sign. Okay, that is signed magnitude representation, signed ones complement representation, signed twos complement representation. Okay, ma? Signed magnitude representation, signed ones complement representation, signed twos complement representation. Okay, if you are taking the signed magnitude representation, here we are taking one example, that is if you are taking plus 14 number, plus 14. Okay, here plus 14, is it positive number or negative number? Positive number. Whenever positive number is taking, then what happened? The MSB bit is taking as 0. Here, if you are considering 8-bit resistor, if you are considering 8-bit resistor, okay, ma? Plus 14 means here, what is the equivalent binary number for 14? See here, how to calculate? Divide with 2. Okay, 2 sevens, the remainder is 0. 2 threes, the remainder is 1. 2 ones, the remainder is 1. From down to up. So what is the equivalent binary equivalent? 1 1 1 0. Actually, this plus 14 is stored in 8-bit register. Here we are getting only 4 bits. So the remaining 3 bits will be taking as 0. Remaining 1 bit is there at MSB. What is MSB? Plus will be there. So the MSB is replaced with 0. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. So this is the binary equivalent for 14. Okay, ma, see here. See here, 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, this is the binary equivalent for plus 14. Okay, next, if you are taking minus 14, here this is a negative number. So negative number is represented in these three forms: signed magnitude, ones complement, and twos complement method. Okay, what is the binary equivalent for 14? This is the binary equivalent for plus 14. Okay, ma. So in signed magnitude representation, the same will be getting. These 7 bits are same. Only the MSB is changed as 1. The MSB bit is changed as 1. Okay, 1. The remaining is same. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, only the MSB is changed. Why? Here minus 14 is there. For minus, we are taking the MSB as 1. That's why. Okay, ma? Next, ones complement representation. See here, this is the signed magnitude. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, are you getting the same here? Okay. Next, in signed ones complement representation. That is taking the ones complement for this. Okay, with the sign. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So what is the ones complement? For this ones complement, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, are you getting the same here? Observe this MSB. Compulsory, it should be 1 because this is a negative number. Okay. Next, in 2's complement representation means for this plus 14, calculate the 2's complement. How to calculate the 2's complement? First 1's complement, for that 1's complement, adding 1. Then what happened? 1 plus 1, that is 1, 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Are you getting the same here? Okay, so in this way, we represent the negative numbers in 3 forms. That is in sign magnitude, signed one's complement, signed two's complement representations. Okay, ma? So plus 14 and minus 14. How to represent a positive number? How to represent a negative number here? Suppose if we want to do arithmetic operations, that is like addition, subtraction, like that. Okay, then how to take the positive and negative numbers? Okay, see here, arithmetic addition. Arithmetic addition. So plus 6 plus 13. Plus 6 plus 13. Here we are using 8-bit resistors. Okay, ma? Here we are using 8-bit resistors. Plus 6. 6 means 110. Already we know the binary. So 8-bit resistor తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 110 అంటే 3 digits కదా ఇక్కడ. సో రిమైనింగ్ 5 digits ఏం పెట్టుకున్నాము? zeros పెట్టుకున్నాము. వాల్యూ ఏమన్నా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా? సో హియర్ ద వాల్యూ ఇస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. మనం ఏ మోడిఫికేషన్స్ చేసినా వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఎన్ని మోడిఫికేషన్స్ అయినా చేయొచ్చమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ జీరోస్ పెట్టుకోవడం వల్ల మనకి వాల్యూ ఏమీ చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. కాబట్టి హియర్ వీఆర్ పుట్టింగ్ 5 zeros. 5 zeros ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నాము అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం 8-bit రెసిస్టర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. 8-bit రెసిస్టర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి మనకి 8 bits కావాలి. ఇక్కడ 110 లో 3 bits కదా ఉంది. సో వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ 5 zeros ఆన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎంఎస్బి మాత్రం ఎంఎస్బి ఒక్కటి మనకి దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది? బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది సైన్. హియర్ పాజిటివ్, దట్స్ వై 0 ఈజ్ ప్లేస్. ప్లస్ 13. 13 మీన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో 1101. మీకు టేబుల్ ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోమని చెప్పానమ్మా. ఫ్రమ్ 000 టు 111, 0 to 15 వరకు టేబుల్ కాంబినేషన్స్ మనకి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఇవి. ఓకేనా? 0 to 15 కంపల్సరీ ఏ నెంబర్ కి బైనరీ ఈక్వలెంట్ అని అడిగినా కానీ మనం ఈజీగా చెప్పేసేయాలి. ఓకే, సో 13 మీన్స్ 1101. సో 000 MSB is also 0 because here we are taking the positive number. Now do the addition here. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, the carry is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, the carry is 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 0 0. So what is the equivalent, decimal equivalent for this number? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. Okay, amma? So 1 into 2 power 4, plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Zeros తీసేసేయండి ఎందుకంటే 0 into anything value is 0 కదా. So 2 power 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 16 plus 2 18. 2 power 0 is 1. So 1. 18 plus 1 19. You will be getting the same. Okay, Amma? So in this way we are doing. Next, if you are taking minus 6 plus 13. How to take minus 6? Here we are using generally 2's complement form only. Negative numbers. See here. The negative numbers will be represented in 3 forms. What are the 3 forms? Signed magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement. So out of these 3, generally we are using 2's complement representation for negative numbers. Okay, ma, manam 2's complement representation use chestuntam negative numbers ki. Remember that point. Okay, so here minus 6 plus 13. So minus 6 ante manam em rayali first plus 6 ki rayandi 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, for this calculate the 2's complement. So first do the 1's complement. 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Adding 1 to this. 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. Are you getting? 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Are you getting the same? Okay, ma. 2's complement representation. ఎక్కడ నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ కనిపించినా మనం దాన్ని 2's complement లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఓకేనా? నౌ డూ ద ఎడిషన్. 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 is 1 0. మళ్ళీ 1 plus 1 ఉంది 1 0. Okay, again 1 plus 1 1 0. Carry is 1, sum is 0. 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 1 0. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2's complement మెథడ్ లో క్యారీ వస్తే ఫైనల్ గా మనకి క్యారీ వస్తే దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తామమ్మా డిస్కార్డ్ చేస్తాము అంటే నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసేస్తాము. ఓకేనా? సో ఫైనలీ we are getting this is the result. What is the equivalent decimal number? 111 means 7. So the MSB is 0. So plus 7 this will be. Minus 6 plus 13 అంటే plus 7 ఏ కదా, కంపల్సరీ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందమ్మా. ఓకేనా? So like that plus 6 minus 13. So this is plus 6. Already we know. Minus 13 అంటే ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది చూడమ్మా. Minus 13 అంటే how to get this? 13 ki 2's complement. What is the 13 here? 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, ma. Here plus 13 means what is the binary equivalent for plus 13? Means 1101. So 8-bit resistor we are considered. So 0 0 0 plus is there. So the MSB is 0. Okay, ma. For this calculate the 2's complement. For getting minus 13. Minus 13 రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలమ్మా మనం దీనికి 2's complement calculate చేయాలి. So calculate this. 1 first 1's complement. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, adding 1 to this. 0 plus 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, are you getting the same here? Minus 13 same 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, amma. Now we are adding these two. 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 is the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is the sum is 0, carry is 1 1. 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 1. Finally we are getting that this is the result. Here if you observe this plus 6 minus 13. plus 6. So here the small value minus big value. Okay, so finally we are getting the minus 7. Okay, minus 7 means is it a positive or negative? Negative. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనకి నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే కంపల్సరీ అది వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఫామ్ అమ్మ. కాబట్టి ఫర్ దిస్ యూ అగైన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్. దీనికి 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ మళ్ళీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. ఎందుకు అగైన్ we are calculating the 2's complement means the result is a negative number. That means so this is the 2's complement of 7. Okay, so దీనికి 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 0 0 5 1s ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా, 5 zeros ప్లేస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, 1 1 0. This is the 1's complement. Adding 1 here, then 1 1 1, remaining 5 zeros. Is it equal to 7? Is it equal to 7? Yes. So finally we are getting minus 7. In that way, this also. First minus 6 means this is the 2's complement of plus 6. Okay. Minus 13. This is the 2's complement of plus 13. The result is also negative. So this is the 2's complement of plus 19. Okay, ma? In this way, we represent the negative numbers. That is, arithmetic addition is doing by using 2's complement form. Okay, ma? So if you are taking the arithmetic subtraction, here we are taking the variables a and b. Okay, plus or minus a minus of plus b. Okay, this is also taking actually ఇక్కడ మనకి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో దీన్ని మనం ఎడిషన్ లో చేయాలి అంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అమ్మా? సో దిస్ ప్లస్ విల్ బి హియర్, దిస్ మైనస్ విల్ బి కెప్ట్ ఇన్సైడ్. ఓకే, ప్లస్ మైనస్ అంటే యాక్చువల్ గా మనకి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఇచ్చినా దాన్ని ఎడిషన్ గా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఓకేనా, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఇచ్చినా గానీ మనం దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? ఎడిషన్ గా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. Okay, suppose like this, a minus of minus b, then minus of minus means that is changed as plus, so that is also becomes a addition. Okay, ma? So in this way we are doing. Next, overflow. Overflow means generally what is the meaning for overflow? Suppose if we are having 8-bit register, okay, the result having 9 bits, then we are saying overflow occurred. Okay ma, మన దగ్గర 8 bits register ఉంది, మనకి రిజల్ట్ 9 bits వచ్చింది అనుకోండమ్మా. 9 bits 8 bit register లో మనం ఏమైనా ప్లేస్ చేయగలమా? చేయలేము. ఓకేనా, at that time we are saying the overflow is occurred. Take one example here. See here, suppose if you are taking plus 70 plus 80. Okay, plus 70 plus 80. So take the binary equivalent for these two numbers. Actually this is 8 bits and this is also having 8 bits. 70 కి మనం బైనరీ ఈక్వివలెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 8 బిట్స్ వస్తాయమ్మా. అలాగే 80 కి కూడా మనం బైనరీ ఈక్వివలెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 8 బిట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, if you are adding these two numbers, then what is the result? Plus 150. Okay, plus 150. Okay, yeah, so if you add these two in binary addition చేయండి, రెండిటిని binary addition చేస్తే you will be getting this is the result. Okay, this is the result. ఈ రిజల్ట్ లో మీకు MSB చూసారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ చూడండి MSB ఎంత ఉంది? 1 ఉంది. MSB 1 ఉంటే అది పాజిటివ్ నెంబరా నెగటివ్ నెంబరా? నెగటివ్ నెంబర్. బట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్? పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ ద రిజల్ట్. అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఇది మొత్తం ఈ 8 బిట్స్ రిజల్ట్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఈ సైన్ బిట్ అనేది ఎక్స్ట్రాగా మనం యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి 0 అని. ఓకేనమ్మా, దెన్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్ 150 ఇన్ సైన్డ్ మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ టోటల్ గా మనకి రిజల్ట్ ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? ఫైనల్ గా ప్లస్ 150 అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిజల్ట్? వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్ 0 for signed bit, 1 0 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Totally we are getting 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bits. So ఈ 9 bits ని మనం 8 bit resistor లో place చేయగలమా? So here overflow is occurred. Okay ma, like that here also. In this way we represent the fixed point method. Okay ma. Here if you are taking one example, unsigned means only integer fraction. Signed means sign is also important here. MSB bit represent the sign. Okay ma, next integer and fraction is same as it is. Okay, this signed bit that is negative numbers. Negative numbers will be represented in these three forms: signed representation, ones complement, twos complement representation. Okay, here we are taking one example.